the question was, where does Arkansas rank nationally as far as oral cancers and tobacco use? And I don't know that I can give you exact numbers, but being a rural state, a lot of young folks use smokeless tobacco, and we have a number of other citizens that use it as well. I'm not sure I can answer much more than that. But.
Do you want to add to it?
I want to make a comment about the increased diagnosis of oral cancer. It probably has to do with our ability to detect, and also it probably has something to do with people's consciousness that oral cancer is a problem, and so that they seek care perhaps faster than they did in earlier days also.
One other thing I wanted to ask about that we haven't yet, what's available in terms of prosthetics and implants, and what does nanotechnology, what has it contributed to the world of dental science thus far?
Typically, the way dentistry has become anymore with implants and implant prosthetics, if you got enough time or money, we could build it. There's really nothing we can do if those aren't the limitations. And the goal is certainly the more closely we can mimic the natural biological counterpart, that's what we're seeking. And again, usually the only compromise is time or money, but we can pretty well put people back the way they used to be, pretty close anymore. With respect to nanotechnology, they're advertising it. They're using it. All of our composite materials now have nanoparticles in them. And they last longer. They have a happier sheen and shine. They market it. I'm still haven't quite decided how much I'm going to embrace nanoparticles because of the same thing. It's one of these kind of artificial substances. And nanoparticles, I don't know, they're kind of like a virus. I don't know how well they can be controlled if they release very much into the environment. So I don't know if I really have embraced the nano concept in its entirety. But it's certainly being used as a marketing. It certainly has a certain beneficial impacts it provides to our dental materials. So I know we're going to see more and more of it. I just don't know if eventually, particularly when we're getting into the biological applications of using nanoparticles, is what the long-term implications could possibly be.